What is up, Florida homeowners? Welcome back to the Orlando Home Squad channel. My name is Rob Stack, and today we're going to be giving you our top 5 energy-saving upgrades for your home. We're talking serious efficiency boosts, from cutting-edge solar panels to the latest smart thermostats. So get ready to learn how you can slash those energy bills and make your home a model of efficiency. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe to see more of our helpful homeowner tips. All right, first up, let's talk solar panels. And this in itself can be an entire video series, and I do plan on doing a video on solar panels in the near future, so make sure you subscribe so you can see that when it comes out. Now, solar panels aren't just an upgrade, they're an investment in a greener future. With an average of 233 sunny days per year here in Orlando, solar panels can significantly cut your energy costs almost down to zero. Now, solar panels have gone up in price, just like everything else, and on average it costs around $2 to $3 per kilowatt installed. So let's just say for a 6 kilowatt system, you're looking at around $15,000, and that's before any incentives. Those costs do vary, and you'll need to determine how many kilowatts your home uses. Also, if you want a battery system to completely offset your pull from the grid, that will substantially raise the cost. But if protecting yourself from rising energy costs and reducing your carbon footprint is important to you, then I say go for it. Now, there are several solar companies in Central Florida, and many offer tailored solutions for financing and leases if you can't buy it outright. However, if you're debating whether you should lease or finance, my recommendation is to finance. When it comes to selling a home with a lease system versus an owned system, in my experience, it has just been easier to sell with an owned system. Next up, let's talk windows. Swapping out older windows for energy-efficient ones can prevent that harsh Florida sun from heating your home excessively, preventing your AC from having to work overtime. You're looking at an investment of around $300 to $1,000 per window, but this can reduce your energy bill by up to 15%. Local vendors can provide a wide range of options in terms of style, color, and construction, plus they'll have financing options as well. A last bit of advice, make sure to check with your local municipality and/or HOA prior to installation to check any requirements on their end. Let's move on to smart thermostats. So these devices adjust your home's temperature based on your habits and preferences, potentially cutting your heating and cooling costs by up to 10 to 15%. You can grab a Nest thermostat for around $130, which can easily pay for itself in just a year or two. Its learning capabilities mean it can adjust itself based on your schedule and presence to save energy. For example, when you're not home. Installation is straightforward, and it pairs seamlessly with most HVAC systems and smart devices. What's really cool about tech-enabled thermostats is the availability of new programs. These devices are always learning and finding more and better ways to save. For example, Nest has partnered with some utility companies and created a program called Rush Hour Rewards, which links your thermostat with the energy company. And during peak and high demand timeframes, the thermostat will make slight adjustments to the cooling and heating schedule to reduce energy pull during high demand times, potentially preventing power outages. Now, some energy companies will give you some kind of reward or discount for enrolling. These adjustments are minor, and they're designed to maintain comfort. Number 4 on our list is LED lighting. Now, this is a simple one, and most people already know that LED bulbs use about 75% less energy and last 25 times longer than traditional incandescent bulbs, yet a large majority are still using incandescent bulbs. Switching to LEDs could save you about $60 to $100 per bulb over its lifetime, so pretty big savings. Your local home improvement store should carry a wide range of LED options, ensuring you find something that fits both your home and your budget. I'm excited to share that for those who love the warm glow of incandescent bulbs, LED technology has evolved tremendously. Now, LED bulbs are available in an array of colors, shapes, and sizes to suit any preference. This is by far the easiest and cheapest way to make your home more energy efficient, so it's a great way to start. Our final upgrade is improving your home's insulation. Proper insulation keeps your home cool during our scorching summers and warm in the occasionally chilly winter. Upgrading your insulation can save up to 15% on heating and cooling costs. Costs vary on installation, but a typical attic insulation upgrade in Orlando may only cost you around $1,500. Prior to the year 2000, most homes were built with insulation up to R20. Today's standard is at least R30, and most home builders today are combining traditional insulation with additional technologies like radiant barrier and/or spray foam attic insulation. There are several local experts here in Central Florida that can provide you a combination of solutions to help bring your home up to today's energy efficient standards. So there you have it. the top 5 energy-saving upgrades for your home. These home improvements are not just about cutting costs, they're about creating a more sustainable, comfortable living environment for you and your family. And keep in mind, these are just the top energy-saving tips. There are several methods and products that can cut your energy costs, things like UV blocking window film, attic ventilation systems, foam concrete block filling, and more. And I will probably do another energy-saving video where I explore these different options. These are just the ones that offer the most significant impact and are readily available. And remember, your home is one of your biggest assets, if not the biggest asset you own. So take care of it, love it. Create a haven that gives you the warm and fuzzy feelings. I always say, if you take care of your home will take care of you. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And hit that notification bell for more Orlando lifestyle, home improvement, and real estate tips and tricks. If you have any questions about local vendors to help you out with some of these options, drop us a line below and we can definitely point you in the right direction. Also, we are an expert team of realtors here in Central Florida, so we'd be happy to help you or anyone you know buy and sell in the area. All links are below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.